Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. How's everybody today? Today is Monday, August 3rd, 2020. Today is a holiday here in Ontario, Canada. I don't know about all of Canada or anywhere else in the world, but where I live, it's a holiday. I don't know what the holiday is. It's August 3rd holiday.
Civic holiday.
It's a civic holiday, whatever the bleep that means. Anyway, I am here to show you an item that I made and I'm very happy with it. You ready to see, everybody? Okay. Can you see? I'll take it down. Does everybody know what this is? What do you think? Is that beautiful? Look guys, look. Is this beautiful or what? Okay, let me tell you all about it. Okay, so I was gifted this yarn recently by our Mama Swift, Trisha. And speaking of which, guys, I'll post her link to her that's all, folks. I'll post the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below because she is posting videos. She was the hashtag Christmas in July Fairies winner, and so she unboxed 12 presents yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So, anyway, and I was previously gifted this by somebody that I love a lot. And this is yarn from Hobby Lobby, only available in the US of A. So thanks to all my US of A friends for sending me this luscious, I love this yarn. Like, I just love all the colors. This particular color, this is called Yarn Bee Dazzling. It's a number 4 weight yarn. And the color is Windstorm 52. But, oh yeah, I was gifted this before, and I'll show you, because I made something. If you watch my other videos, I've made stuff with this before. But anyway, this tutorial, look guys, this is the Bag-A-Day Crochet, Easy Crochet Scarf, Crochet Summer Scarf, It's a long title. Anyway, I'll post it in the description box below. It's from Crystal at Bag-A-Day Crochet. And remember when I opened up my winnings from Penny from Lil Bits of Yarn? And I knew when I opened it, and I went, I know what this is. Oh my God. I forgot to bring it down. Damn it. I'll post a link to that video here. What? What?
You want me to go get it?
Sure, please. You know the scarf that Penny made me and sent me in my winnings? I don't know, it's upstairs. It's the blue, oh honey, okay, whatever.
Oh, okay.
Whatever. Okay, so, we're talking about this because I'm so proud of this that I made it. Alright, let me fix myself up here. Alright, so you go like that. You kind of go like, I don't know guys, help a girl out here. Okay, so, isn't this gorgeous? Like, it's gorgeous. So, Crystal adds beads, like a bead, like a beautiful, you know, a charm or like it's, you know, like a diamond or a button or something here. I don't have anything like that. And then she also does them here and to make it beautiful. Now, she ended, thanks. She ended on a double crochet row. I didn't, I ended on a single crochet. So that's why I don't have, like she does a lot of these, and where I put my tassels is different than hers. So anyway, go check out, I'll put that link to her video in the description box below. But is this beautiful? How do I look?
Lovely.
Hey? Can everybody see it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is this pretty or what, guys? This is pretty. So so I had previously was gifted this yarn, and so remember I made, I don't know what video this is, guys. So remember I made the hat. Oh, I got a ponytail, so it looks a little weird, but that's one of those hats. You guys know that hat. And I'll try and find the video where I showed this off. But how's that for a look? What do you think? Can you see my hat?
No.
You can't see my hat.
No, we can't.
Now you can? All right. So how's this pretty? I know my hair, I should take it out of the ponytail. But is this pretty or this is supposed to be a summer scarf. So, okay, I guess I'm going to take that off. Yes, so this is the scarf that Penny Lil Bits of Yarn had sent me, and she had made hers in the CROCHETED. So yeah, get it? Summer scarf. But I don't care. This is spring, summer, winter, or fall. All you gotta do it. Look. Is everybody seeing how beautiful this is?
Except the glitteriness.
You can't see the glitter in it? Oh, it's...
Maybe.
Guys, it's glittering! This yarn is called Dazzling because it glitters. There's glitters in it. What is it made out of? I don't know. Oh, acrylic and metallic polyester. So that's how you get all the little... I love this color. And I'm sure they make other Bee Dazzling yarns in other colors. I don't know, because I don't live in the US of A. But I just adore these. Yeah, so I'm like triple bragging about this. And see, look guys, isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. Okay, so what else do I have to talk to you guys about? I guess that's it. So stay tuned because I made something else, guys. Yes, I did. So I'm going to be posting another video. Is this dazzling or what? I'd be dazzling. Okay, so I used a 6mm hook. Okay, so this ball of yarn is 249 yards. And to get where I did, I used a ball and a bit, because what happened was when I was at the end of, so when I was finishing this row, I think I made it to about, I started here to finish it off, and then I ended here. And I'm like, no, I've got this much more to go. So I kind of color controlled it a bit, but I didn't. But I didn't. On the very end row, I colored whatever. I ripped it back. Oh yeah, no, I ripped it back the whole way so I could end in that pink color there. Because I was ending in the gray, but the ball ended and I didn't have enough to fully end it. So for me to get here, get up. For me to get, where are you guys? Do you see what I'm saying? So I was ending on the gray, but I wouldn't have made it all the way around to the end. Maybe I should take this off. I was gifted this. I should take that off because it's kind of ruining it. It's kind of pulling on it. Yeah, I better take that off before I ruin it. All my beautiful stitches. Don't want to be doing that. Yeah, so I used a ball and a bit. And I think, so how many rows did I do? Well, I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, she ended on a double and I ended on a single. So I could have made it. You can make this as wide as you want. What did Penny? I'm gonna go see what Penny did. She did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and ended, and I did. Oh, is this the same or different? Is this the same pattern or not? I don't know. this is a different pattern. I think this is a different pattern. Huh? What pattern is this? I'm gonna have to go back and watch a video, Penny. I thought this was the same, but it's the same, but different. Oh, isn't that interesting? Oh, I love this one. Oh, it is. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to go back and watch your video, Penny, because I know I commented on it how much I loved yours. But anyway, I'm bragging about mine on my channel. So this is beautiful. You have to admit. You have to admit. Look at that. Let me sit straight here. Okay, I'm going off and off and off because I'm just bragging. Ready? Okay, I'll let y'all go. I'll let y'all go. Everybody have a great weekend. Like I said, I do have another video that I want to get out, but I'm not going to post 2 videos in a day because I know I don't like that. And yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. I made something really cute. Really cute, guys. Yeah, no spoiler alerts. Well, can I? Should I? No, it's cute. It's cute. Okay. Okay, everybody have a great holiday if you're having one. What do you think? Do you love it? I love it. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.